What if I told you there are strangers who are willing to give away free money to people online whom they have never met? Stick around to this video because I'm going to be bringing you sites where you can go to and get help from rich people. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, on this channel we're all about making money online from legit side hustles and every other means that you can think about. So if this is your first time here, do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, leave a comment, leave a like. Strangers on the internet are willing to give away real money to people they have never met. And today I'm going to be showing you where it's happening, where you can sign up and start getting funds for free. Without much ado, let's start with the first one. The first site I'm bringing to you today, you are going to get free money from. It's called FreeFunder. FreeFunder is just like crowdfunding, but all you have to do is create your profile and you start seeking money from wealthy people. Money for emergency bills, money for businesses, money for health issues. If you have medical bills, you have educational bills, you have emergencies, you have whatever bills that you have, you go to FreeFunder, you create your profile, you share your story. What will lure people to you is your story. Make sure you have a compelling story. People get connected to you with your story. People get connected with what you're telling them. People get connected emotionally with what you're going to tell them in your story. Make sure you have a compelling story and people will be willing to support you. If you're telling your story comes with real photos of maybe your business proposal, maybe if you have medical bills, your medical reports, your medical situation, whatever thing, photos, pictures, whatever evidence that you have, make sure to upload them so that your story can be very compelling and it will trigger somebody to help you. If you go online, you see most of the stories that get funded are stories that are people are emotionally connected to. Make sure you're authentic, you're real in whatever you're saying. Don't go and say fake stuff, and when they ask you for evidence, you don't have anything. Make sure you upload real situations. If you have a foundation that you want to fund, you put on your foundation, you explain how the money is going to be used and how much you're asking for, how much you're requesting for, and people will be willing to support you. The next side we're going to be talking about is called begging money. With begging money, you get to like request for small cash gifts, such as maybe you have Uber rides payment, maybe like PayPal or gift cards, maybe like grocery shopping, maybe your phone bills, all those little stuffs that maybe you can get caught up in the middle of something and maybe you don't have money for Uber. You just go on begging money, and if somebody finds your story compelling, they're willing to help you. And definitely you can also, like, maybe you have emergencies, even though it's for small cash gift. If you like do have emergencies, such as maybe your cat is sick, maybe you have some little emergencies at home, maybe dysfunction of something, you just go on there, you upload it. Maybe you had a wardrobe malfunction, maybe you had something, maybe your washing machine or something got bad and you don't have the funds for it. You just have to go on there, upload the damage that was caused and how much it's going to cost you, and you upload it there, and anybody that is willing to, that gets connected to your story, they'll be willing to help you in any little way that they can. The third side we're going to be talking about is GoGetFunding. GoGetFunding is mostly for entrepreneurs, it's mostly for businesses, it's mostly for creators on a larger scale. If you're willing to start, if you have a business, maybe an organization, and you need funding, you need help with some maybe operational situations in your enterprise, maybe you have a business you want to start and you come up with your business plan, how everything is going to go, you upload it on there with proofs, with real facts of how you're going to use the money, and people are willing to support you. Unlike the other side, we GoGetFunding, it's very international because you have international donors on GoGetFunding. It's a popular site and it's been on there for a number of years, for a long time. Bring out things that are going to tell your story, things that are going to tell your story to a stranger for them to give you money. You don't just come on there and you say, oh, I need money for this, and you're not going to get money that way. You need to bring out proof of why you need the money and how the money is going to be used. The fourth side we're going to be talking about is called JustGiving. With JustGiving was originally based on charitable organizations like non-profits, helping like less privileged, helping people encountered by disasters, all these stuffs, like people going through crisis, people going through economic imbalance and all that stuff. But right now you can also like upload your personal stories, your personal stories on the site, and you get help from 1 or 2 people. And you have to also make sure that your story comes with authenticity. Don't tell a story that you cannot back up. Give a story that you know. You have real situations of the happenings of the story. You upload your story. You can even you can gain exposure, like share your profile on Facebook, share your profile on different platforms, and people get to donate for you on JustGiving. The third website we're talking about is called FundMyTravel. FundMyTravel is actually very interesting because with FundMyTravel, people actually pay you to travel as long as you're willing to share your experience. Like if somebody will pay you, maybe they don't have the time to like travel to a particular destination, and you're willing, you have the free time, you have the ample time, and they're willing to pay you. You travel to that destination and you make sure to share your experience. Make sure to share what you like learn from that place, your discoveries about a particular location that you went to. Share your experience in total, and they get to know and they fund it for you. And if you do something like that and somebody is like interested, invested in it, and they say, oh, I like the experience that you shared with me, they'll be willing to like fund another trip of yours, fund another travel expense of yours, and you just might become a travel expert. So with FundMyTravel, you just go on there, you create your profile and put in the reason why you want to travel, and people come on there, they'll ask you, why are you willing to travel? Do you want to travel to, so I like so and so place, but I don't have the time to travel to this place. If you travel, will you be willing to like share your experience with us? And if you're willing, somebody might just like donate to you, and you get money for all that, for all your expenses. As I said before, make sure your stories are real situations, real happenings in your life. Don't go and give a fake story, and when they ask you for proof and you don't have any proof, if you have maybe a family emergency, maybe you have a sick somebody, you just like, you need aid for that, you just make sure you upload the right documents, you upload the right photos, and they are willing to help you. If you have a job, a business you want to start, you make sure you come out with your business proposal, you make sure you come out with your business analysis and everything, how you're going to use the money to run the business, and you upload it with pictures, data of everything that you're going to be using, and people get to read it, and if they feel emotionally connected to you, they're willing to help you. So make sure you upload real stories, real things that are happening in your life or your environment, and you might just get some support from some few people or more. And the banger of it is, make sure to share. If you want more people to get connected to your stories, share your stories, share your profile on Facebook, TikTok, share them on social media platforms, so you can get an extent amount of reach, and you might just get help. And actually, help nowadays mostly comes from strangers, people you don't know. It's actually funny, in this society we are in, you mostly get help from people you don't know. So you never know, that person you don't know might just be really connected to your story, and they might just help you. So, and if you're choosing this, don't choose all the 5 sites. Make sure you go to the website, you examine how your profile is going to be used, you make sure to choose one, and you create a profile on it, and you start seeking funds from it. Make sure to choose one, so don't go over there and start choosing all the 5. That's not gonna work. Make sure to choose 1 or 2, maximum 2, and you share your story, and you might just get help there. So if you like this video, if you like what I'm bringing to you, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment. If you want more videos like this about websites where you can get funding from, tell me, say more videos in the comment section. I'm gonna bring more videos on this topic. And I repeat again, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to give your opinions in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.